Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and in today's video, let us understand what is inventory management, and also we will learn the important terminology used in inventory management. So inventory is the goods and merchandise which is stocked in the retail store for future use. Every retail store has a warehouse to stock the merchandise to be used when the existing stock is sold to the customers. So managing this inventory effectively is known as inventory management. Inventory management is a systematic approach of sourcing, storing, and selling the products and merchandise to the customers. So we can define inventory management as the process of storage of products to be used at the time of crisis. So in business terms, the inventory management means the right stock at the right levels, in the right place, at the right time, and at the right cost as well as price. So now let us learn and understand what are the 5 benefits of inventory management. The first benefit is that we will have a better inventory accuracy. When we manage our inventory well, then we get to know what is there in the stock and we order only the amount of inventory which is needed to meet the demand. The second benefit is that we can have a better relations with the vendors and suppliers. That is, inventory management will provide insights about which product sells and in what volume. Using that knowledge, we can leverage to negotiate better prices and terms with the suppliers. So the third benefit is that we will have increased profits. That is, a better understanding of both availability and demand leads to higher inventory turnover, which leads to the greater profits. The fourth benefit is that we will have a more organized warehouse in the retail store. That is, the inventory management will know what is coming in, that is what merchandise is coming in and what merchandise is going out. This will help him to organize the warehouse properly. And the fifth benefit is that the customers can have a better experience. Whenever a customer orders and if he receives it on time, then they will be more loyal to our organization. So these were the 5 benefits of inventory management. Now let us understand the different terminologies used in inventory management. So the first terminology is SKU. So SKU is abbreviated as stock keeping unit. Every product available at the store has a unique code. This code, which helps in identification and tracking of the products at a retail store, is called as stock keeping unit or SKU. Now let us understand this with one simple example. Consider that you have gone to a grocery shop or a supermarket to purchase Surf Excel detergent powder. So here Surf Excel detergent powder has many variants, that is 1 kg, half kg, 250 gram. So all these are a separate SKUs. A Surf Excel detergent powder 1 kg is a separate SKU and a Surf Excel detergent powder half kg is a separate SKU. So the second important terminology is stock out. Stock out refers to a situation when the retailer fails to fulfill a customer's requirement due to lack of merchandise in the store. The merchandise is not available in the current inventory and thus the customer has to return home empty-handed. The third important terminology is economic order quantity. So economic order quantity refers how much you should reorder, taking into account the demand and your inventory holding cost. So what are holding cost? Holding cost is also known as carrying cost. These are the costs which your business will incur to store and hold the stock in a warehouse until it is sold to the customer. So the next important terminology is landing cost. So what is landing cost? These are the cost of shipping, storing, import fees, duties, taxes and other expenses associated with transporting and buying the inventory. So the next important terminology is lead time. So what is lead time? It is the time taken by the supplier to deliver the goods after an order is placed along with the time frame for a business reordering needs. Now let us discuss the most important terminology, that is PO. PO stands for purchase order. So a purchase order is a commercial document between the supplier and a buyer which specifies what product is being ordered and in how many quantities those are ordered and what are the agreed prices for the products or service between a supplier and a buyer. So now let us understand the next terminology, that is reorder point. So reorder point is the inventory level at which the reordering should occur, taking into account the current and future demand as well as the lead time to deliver the ordered product. So the next terminology is sales order. So sales order is a transactional document sent to the customer after the purchase is made but before an order is fulfilled. Now let us discuss one last terminology, that is safety stock. Safety stock is also known as a buffer stock. So this inventory is held in reserve to guard against any shortages. So friends, till now we have discussed what is inventory management, the benefits of inventory management and different terminologies used in inventory management. Now let us understand how to prevent the loss of inventory in the retail store. So let us go through some tips which will help to prevent the loss of inventory. So whenever the employee is checking out, so check the bags of the employee before they leave the store. Also, raise an alarm when you find someone is stealing something. Also, one should make sure that all the employees leaves from one common door and we have to avoid multiple exits. Also, check the garbage before dumping. So whenever the housekeeping is dumping any of the garbage from the store, the security guard has to check the garbage before dumping. Also, one important method to prevent loss of inventory is to keep proper records of the inventory. That is, whatever stock is coming in and whatever stock is going out, everything has to be recorded. So friends, this was the brief discussion about the inventory management in retail. So if you have liked the video, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel to get such more updates in the future. And thanks for watching.